Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make Niger jollof rice. Here are my ingredients I'm going to use for this recipe. Here I have my chicken, it's already cooked. I have some rice in here. I have my chicken stock. I have 1 cup of blended tomatoes. I have half tin tomatoes. And I also have some chopped pepper and onion. I'm going to blend that. Over here I have some butter in here. I have some chopped onion. I'm going to use that to fry my stew. Here I have 1 packet of Jollof spicy. I have 4 bay leaf. I have some little bit of blended crayfish, 2 seasoning cubes, and 1 nutmeg. So over here I have some oil in here. I'm going to use this to fry my chicken. I also have some water in here. I'm going to use that to parboil my rice. So first I'm going to start frying my chicken. Here is after frying my chicken. I'm just going to start frying my tomatoes. I just add in some salt. I'm going to add my chopped onion in here. Then fry it for about 2 minutes. Then I'm going to add my tin tomato. So now I'm going to add my half tin tomatoes, the one I showed earlier. I'll also fry that for about 3 minutes before I add my blended pepper and tomatoes. Now it's about 3 minutes since we started frying our tin tomatoes. I just add in my blended tomatoes and pepper. I'm also going to allow that to fry. So now I'm just going to stir it together. Then now I'm going to add some nutmeg, just about half of that. I'm also going to add my seasoning cubes. That's the one I showed earlier. I'm also going to add my Jollof spicy, just like that. So now it's time to add my chicken stock. Also adding my crayfish. I will just stir, cover and allow to cook for some minutes. So here the stew has been cooking for about 5 minutes. I'm just going to separate it now. I'm going to remove about 3 spoons of it. So that's the one I remove from inside. I'm just going to add my parboiled rice. I will stir and taste if there is any need for me to add more salt or seasoning. So I'm adding a little bit of water. Now I'm just going to stir it. Add in my bay leaf. I'm also going to put in some butter. That's enough. Now I'm going to, here is my cover of pot. I use foil paper to cover it, so I'm just going to use it to cover my rice and allow to cook on a low heat. Here it has been about 7 to 8 minutes and our rice is almost done. There's no more water in Now I'm going to add the remaining stew, the one I removed earlier. I'll just add it, use it to stir it together. So after stirring it together, I'm going to cover it for 4 more minutes or 5. And here, finally, the rice is ready. Now it's well cooked, as you can see. The rice is ready, guys. So that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like and share. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.